My name is Raziuddin Sheikh. I have come from Aurangabad. This hospital was referred to by some friend of mine who had been operated here 1 or 2 years before. So I was having this knee joint pain. In the left leg, it was quite severe, and the right was not so much severe. So I came here, I met Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan sir. He advised, after taking the X-ray, he advised that surgery has to be done. So I had to undergo knee surgery, which is known as total knee replacement surgery, in the month of September. That is four months back. And then uh, 2 days ago, I have undergone the second surgery of the right leg. Both these surgeries have been performed excellently by Dr. Jawad Khan sir, and the first I recovered the first surgery within 16 days. I was able to walk without walker or stick. And the second one also, now it is the third day. I am able to walk with the help of walker, and pain has very much subsided. The One of my friends in the USA was operated for knee surgery of one leg in the US. The I have been informed by him about the various procedure and the protocol followed by the top hospital of the USA, and I think the same procedure is being followed here in this hospital, Germanten. So I think it is a big achievement for this hospital and Dr. Jawad Khan sir and the staff also, who have taken very good care of me as a patient. I can say that.
Germanten, Germanten.